Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheels Ultimate T-Rex Transporter, where imagination meets speed. Before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As it is a latest addition to the Hot Wheels family, the stunning 1:64 diecast car comes with a sleek red body and eye-catching yellow wheels. This diecast car is a must-have for any collector, and it includes the Hot Wheels 68 engraving and Hot Wheels logo on the sides. And it is available in both red and blue. But that's not all. Meet the ultimate T-Rex transporter featured in Netflix Hot Wheels Let's Race, as this beast can gobble up and haul more than 20 1:64 diecast car. Comes with a 2-lane racetrack on its back. It's the ultimate combination of fun and functionality. So which one will you choose? The sleek and stylish 1:64 diecast car or the mighty ultimate T-Rex transporter? The choice is yours. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.